How to break down solids in a septic tank. Proper maintenance of a septic tank is crucial for its longevity and efficient operation. The breakdown of solids is a key aspect that ensures your system runs smoothly. When solids accumulate, they can cause blockages and costly repairs. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are essential steps to help break down solids effectively in your septic tank. 1. Understand the breakdown process. Septic tanks use anaerobic bacteria to decompose waste in an oxygen-deprived environment. These bacteria feed on organic matter, turning it into gases, liquids, and smaller solids. However, certain materials, like fats and synthetic substances, resist breakdown. 2. Maintain healthy bacteria. The effectiveness of your septic system relies on a healthy population of bacteria. Avoid using excessive antibacterial products and harsh chemicals that can kill beneficial bacteria. 3. Use enzyme treatments. Enzyme-based treatments can help accelerate the breakdown of solids. They introduce specific enzymes that target organic matter. However, these should complement regular maintenance, not replace it. 4. Schedule regular pumping. Regular pumping is vital to remove accumulated sludge. Most experts recommend pumping your septic tank every 3 to 5 years to prevent blockages and backups. 5. Avoid harmful substances. Be cautious about what you flush or drain. Fats, non-biodegradable materials, and harsh chemicals should never enter the system, as they hinder the breakdown process. 6. Manage water usage. Excessive water can overwhelm the septic system. Practice water-saving measures to ensure that the tank operates efficiently and that solids settle properly. 7. Consider professional inspections. Schedule regular inspections with a professional to identify potential issues early. This can help maintain optimal conditions for solid breakdown and overall system health. By following these steps, you can effectively manage the breakdown of solids in your septic tank and ensure its longevity. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.